we've seen variations, not as ratios. Just a quick reminder, let's see. Lesson 8.
Direct you multiply inverse divide.
Direct you multiply,
Inverse
direct you've done, and you do it like this. A equals KB, right?
Yeah.
If this one rises, this one rises. The other one,
A equals K over B.
A equals K over B. If this one rises, this one goes down, or vice versa, correct? Now we're going to see it as ratios. Ratio is a fraction, right? Because ratio, like rational or anything that has a ratio, it's an implied division. So instead of looking at it like this, we're going to see it like this. A1 is to B1 as A2 is to B2, right? That would be direct variation. Inverse variation would be A1 is to
B1.
B1?
B2.
A2 as B2
Squared.
is to B1.
In this
So you should do that
They're
reciprocal.
inverted, huh?
So you should do that reciprocal on the other side.
Yeah, I got it.
in the book, I saw that there was like some squared or something for some
Huh?
reason. I saw like B squared
No,
too.
Chill.
Like,
Do you
I can't-
understand this? It makes perfect sense, right? A1, B1, A2, B2, it's direct. Whereas inverse is A1, B2, A2, B1. They're inverted, okay? Hence the name inverse, okay? Now, let's see with squares so you don't freak out when you look at it, okay? When you see one. Let's see.
Freak out.
Example, let me do example 80 first so that you can see direct variation. I'll do it underneath because it's very simple.
80.1.
80.2. I'm going to do the example here so that we use this.
Cost
Example.
varies directly as the number purchased. If 12
Cost
can be
varies, cost
varies directly
Virus.
as,
as the number purchased.
so I'm going to put
K over B.
Okay.
K.
NP,
K times
number purchased, okay?
If 12 can be purchased for $78,
12 over 78.
12 can be purchased
for
for,
$78.
okay, 12 can be purchased for $78, huh?
How much would 42 cost?
How much would 42?
Oh, sorry, fine.
Cost.
Two.
These are dollars, right?
Number one.
Cost. I'll put C. Cost. And then you just find C.
Yeah.
This is direct. You saw that it was direct. Fine. Now let's look at, that's easy. I'm not going to solve it. You know how to solve it, right?
Yeah.
What if it varies inversely? And I'm going to do example 80.3 right here.
Blues
Can
vary inversely as yellow squared.
Okay. Blues
Blue.
vary inversely as yellows squared.
Why is it squared?
Okay? Got it?
If 100 blues go with two yellows,
If 100 blues
go with 2 yellows.
go with 2 yellows, notice
Square.
that this one's in the top and this one's in the bottom.
Yeah.
Then,
How many blues go with 10 yellows?
how many blues go with
10.
10 yellows?
Square?
Don't get why you squared.
Because they tell you that it varies with the yellows squared.
Oh, it does? Wait.
Blues vary inversely as yellow squared.
The worst part, you know what it is? Kilo?
Oh, okay.
My face right now was caught on tape
What did he do?
with that question. Okay, so it's clear, right? It's easy. The good thing about doing it this way and why they teach it to you is because this way you don't have to find K. You can go directly. You notice? So for those of you who don't like finding K, I know Mr. Lowe doesn't like finding K.
I do.
You like finding K?
It's
You like
easy.
finding K?
Yeah, it's
But
easy.
this was direct. You don't even have to find K.
I like this one better. I like finding.
You like direct stuff.
Both are easy, miss. So
Okay,
I,
so-
yeah.
Peace.
Who likes